Lesson 1, Tip of the Week. Welcome to the Tip of the Week, and this week I'm talking about being realistic about learning a new language. I do believe that the only difference between adults and children learning a new language is the fact that children don't have an escape route. And unfortunately, we as adults have a lot of things on our plate, and after a long day's work, you obviously do not have either the time or the will to sit down for an hour or two and practice a new language. I can't exactly remember where, but I read something about a concept they call underachieving. And this basically means that you set yourself a goal, a very realistic goal, that's almost impossible not to reach. Instead of setting an unrealistic goal, I found it useful to rather spend a little less time until you get the momentum going, until you start really getting a grip on the language and start using the language, and that in itself is motivating. It might be a smart thing to do to break these 15 to 20 minute lessons up into smaller segments to make sure that you do spend time with the language every day. The smart thing to do is to be realistic about how long it will take the average person to achieve basic conversation skills in a new language. And from experience, I would have to say it's about a year. And this is if you take it seriously. This is if you spend time with the lessons, listen to them more than once, and really discipline yourself to complete the course. I also stumbled upon someone's answer on the internet. I put up a link as well. And this person said, with a good immersion program, which means if you surround yourself with the language, it should make you relatively fluent at ordinary conversation in about 6 months. And this seems to be true because I have some friends that have traveled abroad and stayed in a foreign-speaking country for more than 6 months and actually immersed themselves into the language and surrounded themselves with the language. And they said in about 4 to 5 to 6 months, this is what happens. It's amazing how the brain works. And on that note, I also put up a link regarding short-term and long-term memory. So you can go and check it out on the website. Click on the Wikipedia link. It's very interesting to see what Wikipedia has to say about learning a new language. And obviously, I'll be with you every step of the way, helping you with recalling methods and maintenance rehearsals and all of these types of things that I've picked up along the way in regards to learning a new language and helping you store the information into the long-term memory as quickly as possible.
So take it slow and step by step before you know you're ready to go. Say, yeah,